everyone, my name is Kaushal Dalwadi. I would like to share my experience about VIT classes. I have joined Advanced Excel in June and I have been learning Advanced Excel from Hemangi ma'am for a month now. She is very good teacher. She is very sweet and humble. Her method of teaching is very practical and she emphasizes more on practicing, and her teaching method is very professional. Advanced Excel is really important nowadays because in corporate Advanced Excel is mostly used for creating reports and charts and everything. My learning here at VIT has been great. It was really good and ma'am is really good. Thank you.